Hi!
Today we are at Disneyland and we're doing our February 2019 construction update. Now let's get started with Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Here we are! All that beeping you hear is actually from Galaxy's Edge today. So you have a lot of construction workers working down there. There they are down there working. I think they're patching in those holes. They're putting like a little wall behind those holes so you can't see through the holes. Let's see what's going on up here. Most of these are done. You only see scaffolding on one of those spires now. So, yes, it's going to be open so soon, you guys. We're so excited.
Yes.
Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you're excited about Galaxy's Edge. This is what it looks like over at the new parking structure. It's coming along pretty nicely. It looks like all the levels are up on top, even though there's still like some open holes right there. But down here, if you look like down towards the ground area, they're building what I think is going to go on top of the circular building right there, where everyone's going to walk to go down the escalators. I think that's the big decorative top, so I think they're assembling it down here, and then they're going to lift it and put it on top up here. So that should be cool. I see stairs on the escalators, and just a lot of finishing work going on up here. This is so awesome. They're doing so good.
Escalator 2.
Is this new floor down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, they took out that floor. We have new floor. Wow, I like it. It's pretty. I like that little pop of color. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah.
You like that pop of color?
Yeah.
It's pretty, huh? Coming up on the parking structure from the ground level. Looks like you can see the little things in the middle going up to help support that thing that they're building down on the ground, which is over here now. But we can see it. Walking up to Tangaroa Terrace, it is open. Yay! So we're gonna go check it out for a second and look at the menu and stuff. But the monorail pool is still being worked on. It's behind some scrim and
But that pool is being refilled.
yeah, so that pool at least has water in it now. But yeah, they're still working hard on this one. Getting ready for summertime. What's over here? There's a Disney cat over here. Kennedy saw it while we were walking by. Oh, he's taking a nap. Oh, don't scare him. Oh, you scared him. Said you guys are scary. Peekaboo, kitty. Wait, you ruined his nap. Kennedy, you ruined his nap. Your hair is all up in your face. You know what's weird? It was like a month ago that we were dancing, or Jude was doing Wall Land right here in front of Tangaroa Terrace. Oh yeah, now the bar is like open to the front of it. That's so nice. Let's go up and see what it says on the menu. This is like the coffee bar. All these coffees. We also have Dole Whips at the walk-up bar. Dole Whip floats. Yum. Ooh, and some cocktails and beer. Nice. Should we go inside? Lead the way. Lead the way. Looks like they have some grab and go items. Oh look, you can get a pack of cuties. We bring these to the parks a lot. They're an easy snack. Easy and healthy. Muffins. And some waters. And chocolate milks and sandwiches down there. Ooh, ice cream. You can get the Mickey sandwich bar in here.
I love Mickey sandwich.
Don't they have these light fixtures at the Polynesian Resort? Or am I mistaken? Oh, this is a nice place to sit right here. You can people watch at the pool. Man, the Tangaroa Terrace looks so nice. We're gonna have to come here to like try it out, like eat the foods and stuff like that, because it looks so yummy.
Yeah.
And I love the atmosphere in there, that adventure / tropical feel, the tiki room feel in there. That's good stuff. The ESPN zone is still closed, but it's supposed to come back in a couple of weeks to be like a separate ticketed event where you can go inside and take pictures on giant Disney props. So that's interesting. Ooh, it looks like there's a storm a-coming. Black Tap Craft Burgers and Shakes is still behind walls, but that should be coming down soon. Maybe the next month or so. Grizzly River Run is still down for refurbishment. It's all dried out, and I can hear some, I don't know if you can hear it, if you listen closely, you can hear some saws or sanding or something going on back there. Maybe welding? I don't know. But, yep, still dried up. Yep, there's some fellas down there working. And there's also some guys up on the lift hill, walking down the lift hill. You see them, they're very bright white. But yeah, the lift hill is almost in all scaffolding, so they're working hard on that. So we're in DCA now, if you can tell, and we are going to run to the Pixar Pal Around because we wanted to do that this month, but there is a storm coming, and I'm afraid to be in there while the storm's going on. So we're gonna try to hit that before the storm comes. Oh no, we didn't make it in time. They're making everyone get out of the line for the Pal Around because there's lightning in the area. Dang it! So we might not make good on our promise to get up there in February, but how fun does the Silly Symphony swings look with the storm in the background? Kind of looks like the show. I love that. Over at Jesse's Critter Carousel, there's not much to report except that there's little critters. Oh, there you go. You can see better now. Little critters painted in the little horseshoes going around the top. And then there's like cow print up there too. So hopefully when we come here next month, this will be open.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's looking stormy, you guys. Well, we almost forgot because we were so busy trying to get out of here, but the World of Color looks like it's all up under the ground, and rumor has it that it's supposed to come back tomorrow night. So by the time you're watching this, tonight. So Kennedy and I can't make it, but I think Chris and Jude are going to try to come and vlog it for you guys, so stay tuned. It's still drained over here by the Pacific Wharf, but this photo op slot is open now, and it was behind walls, so that's nice. All right, since we can't go up in the Pal Around, this is about as good as we're going to get, I think, of Marvel Land. It looks like they opened this piece up right here, and other than the bathroom still being over there, you can't see much of anything. There's no pile of dirt or tractor going on right now. You do see night lights out, so they're doing a lot of work at night. I just wanted to share with you guys, since it's about to rain, what we do when it rains. I always carry umbrellas and rain jackets with us. And whenever we see the rain clouds coming in, we go into the bakery or another inside place. I put away my gimbal and stuff like that, and then I put waterproof stuff on my phone, on our bodies. Kids are wearing theirs, and I also have 2 umbrellas with me, so we're ready. But yeah, there's just not a lot of stuff that we can show from the ground level, so we'll see what we can do over at Disneyland. Everyone's so excited about the vendor. It's so funny. But I turned this on to tell you guys that the Food and Wine Festival is starting in a couple of days, and the marquee is up. So March 1st through April 14th, I think, the California Adventure Food and Wine Festival. Different than the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival. This one is not foods around the world, but foods and wines from California. Retraction, that's March 1st through April 23rd. All of the Valentine's stuff is gone. It's regular old rainy Disneyland. You rainy? Over at Disneyland, the Way in the Way random tan wall, it's gotten skinnier, but it's still there. And turning over to the Emporium, the wall is off of the Emporium, but they moved it across the street. So, to the Disney Showcase. But we can show you what the sidewalk looks like over here. Alright, so yeah, the sidewalk used to be all like this with a much smaller gradient curve, but now the whole side is where strollers and everything can go across. Here she is! Sleeping Beauty Castle is still getting her makeover, but at least she has this nice, pretty concept art scrim now. Can you spy Mickey? I spy with my little eyes. A tiny, cute Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Let's go around and see what the back looks like. And on the back side of the castle scrim is this beauty. Maleficent and Prince Philip fighting it out, and the three good fairies are at the top. Although I'm cutting off Laura. And the scrim all on the outside here. Still Sleeping Beauty themed with the forest and all of her forest friends. Cute little thing.
There's a chipmunk. Walk down here, the same chipmunk.
Yeah.
Isn't that guy from Winnie the Pooh?
No, that's a different owl, although they look the same or similar. Astro Orbiter still looks the same as it did last month. Just that little tarp there, and all the stuff is still disassembled, so not much to report over there. Yes. Okay, well that is our construction update for February 2019. We're gonna cut it a little short. We know that the Mark Twain Riverboat area is behind Scrim, even though the Mark Twain is still running, but we are freezing. Our feet got wet during the rain. If you were on our live stream, thanks so much for watching and being there with us. It was nice talking to you guys. But yeah, while we were waiting in line for the Small World, our feet got super wet and now we're freezing. Even though it's done raining, we're freezing to death.
Yeah.
Kennedy, you look so mysterious. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in March. And remember, Disneyland is your land. Bye!